Today's topic, fraction. This is the second video of these topics. This is part 2. Question 5. Work out 3 by 4 minus 1 by 6, giving your answer as a fraction in its lowest term. So it's a very simple. 4 and 6, if we make LCM, what will be the result? The result should be 12, right? 2, 4 divided 2 is a 2 and 6 divided 2 is a 3. That's why 2 times 2 is a 4 and 4 times 3 equals to 12. So here is a 12. 12 divided 4 is 3. 3 times 3 is a 9 minus 12 divided 6 is a 2. 2 times 1 is a 2. So our answer is 9 minus 2. It means 7 divide 12, right? Next question. Without using a calculator, work out 3 by 7 minus 2 by 21. So it's a very easy way we can simplify this one. How? First we can make a common denominator. So here is a 7. So we can multiply this one by 3. That means 7 times 3, it means 21, and 3 times also we have to multiply by 3. So 3 times 3 minus 2 by 21. Now look, here is a 9 divide 21 minus 2 divide 21. So what will be the result? Result will be 9 minus 2. It means 7 divide 21. So we can more simplify this one, because if we divide this one by 7, we will get 1. 21. Once we divide by 7, we will get 3. So our answer is 1 divide 3. Very simple. Next question, this one also same thing. Without using a calculator, work out 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6. So 1 by 3, we can write 3 times 2, it means 6. So here is also 1 times 2 plus 5 by 6. Then 2 divides 3 times 2 is a 6 plus 5 by 6. So once denominator are same, that time the numerator will be add. So 2 plus 5, it will be 7, but we have to make this one simplest form in mixed number. So we can write this one 7 divided 6, that means 1 by 6. This is our answer, 1 by 6. Next question, work out 5 by 6 minus 5 by 8. So we can make this one 6 and 8. What is the LCM? 6 and 8 we can divide by 2. So here is a 3 and here is a 4. So 4 times 3 is a 12. 12 times 2 is a 24. 24 divided 6 is a 4. 4 times 5 is a 20 minus 24 divide 2 divide 8 is 3. 3 times 5 is a 15. So here is a 5 by 24. This is our answer. Very simple. 5 by 24. Next question. Without using a calculator, work out 3 by 4 minus 11 by 12. This is a mixed fraction, so we can write this one 4 times 1 is a 4 plus 3, 7 divide 4 minus 11 by 12. So we can make this one common denominator. It means 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is a 12, and same 7 times 3 minus 11 by 12. Now it's a very simple. 12, 7 times 3 is a 21 minus 11 by 12. So here denominator are same, that means 21 minus 11, it's a 10. Our answer is 10 by 12. But if you want, you can make this one more simplified format. How? Because we can divide this one by 2. So here will be 5, and divide by 2 of this 12, it's a 6. So our answer 5 divided 6. Very simple. Next question, work out 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. Give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So first we have to make this one in improper fraction. 3 times 2 6, 6 times 6 plus 2 8 by 3 plus 2 times 3 is a 6 plus 1, it's a 7. 7 by 2. So 3 and 2, the LCM is 6. 6 divide 3, 2. 2 times 8 is a 16. And 6 divide 2 is a 3. 3 times 7 is a 21. So now it's become 6 plus 1, 7. 2 plus 1, 3. Divide 6. Now you can make this one like 6 times 6 is a 36. So 1 by 6. This is our perfect answer, which is 6, 1 by 6. And this part, the final math, which is without using a calculator, work out 1 3 by 8 minus 5 by 6. So first, this is a mixed fraction. We have to make improper fraction. 8 times 1 is a 8. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is a 11 by 8 minus 5 by 6. So what is the LCM of 8 and 6? We can write this one in here. 8 and 6 we can divide by 2. So here is a 4 and here is a 3. So 4 times 3 is a 12. 12 times 2 is a 24. So 24 is our LCM. So 24 divide 8 is a 3. 3 times 11 is a 33 minus 24 divide 6 is a 4. 4 times 5 is a 20. Right? So 33 minus 20 is a 1 3. 13 divide 24. So our answer is 13 by 24. Very simple. So no more today. Next video we will start same types of math based on IGCSE past paper fractions. Till then, take care, keep practice, and my request, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.